on the tipping point of a second wave. That's how health experts are describing the situation in the Australian state of Victoria. 16 new coronavirus cases have been recorded over the past 24 hours.
The Australian state of Victoria reimposed strict limits on social gatherings after it recorded over 100 new COVID-19 cases in the past week. About half were linked to extended family gatherings. Households can now host only 5 visitors at a time, down from 20.
It's still too early to say how the Victorian outbreaks are going, but they are throwing every resource at this. Their public health response is extensive. There's substantial testing happening in those hotspot areas. They are tracing very large numbers of contacts, several hundred contacts of cases, and are responding in a way that I have every confidence they are doing everything they can to bring these outbreaks under control.
Victorian authorities aren't taking any chances. They have stalled plans to relax restrictions at places of worship, libraries, pubs, and restaurants. They have also raised the possibility of stricter lockdowns at hot spots if the situation worsens. In neighbouring New South Wales, authorities have warned against visiting Melbourne for non-essential purposes. Despite this, Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison wants states to remove the bulk of safe distancing restrictions by the end of July.
This is part of living with COVID-19 and we will continue on with the process of opening up our economy and getting people back into work. But there will be setbacks from time to time, but we've built up the systems to deal with the setbacks.
The cases in Victoria have accounted for more than 80% of Australia's new cases over the past week. Australia has seen almost 7,500 cases of COVID-19 and 102 deaths so far.